Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of the Glam Fall Farmhouse Tablescape. You know what? I'm a glam girl at heart, but I learned recently that I really do love farmhouse. So it was a lot of fun to combine both in one tablescape. Make sure you let me know what you think about that in the comments, because if you think I should do more tablescapes like that, combining the two, I'll definitely do it. Now, I also wanted to share with you that this collaboration is being hosted by the Glam Squad. Now, the Squad members are Ellen, Tammy, Stacy, there's also Ian, there's myself, Candy, there's Chanel, and there's B. So please go down, find the links to their channels in my description box. Make sure you go over and show them some love today. Also, if you're not a member of this channel, I really hope you'll do that. I hope you'll subscribe today. I would love to have you be a member of this channel. And if you see something you like in my content, make sure you tap that notification bell at least 2 times after you subscribe. So again, thank you so much for watching. And you know what I'm going to say. I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day or night.